If you're looking to get your traffic ticket expunged or wiped off your record, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're going to go over the 4 requirements to have a traffic ticket expunged in Alabama. And I have a document here that will link in the comments or the description to get here. So why is it important, first of all, to have your traffic ticket expunged? Number one is it helps your insurance costs, whether that's for you or for your employer. The more tickets you have on your record, the higher your insurance costs are going to go up. Next is more likely to get a job in an industry in which you must drive. Let's say that you now have a CDL. You didn't used to have a CDL. We have the ability to wipe that off your record to give you more opportunities for jobs. Or maybe that you have your CDL, you don't have a job yet because of the previous traffic tickets on your record. Let's wipe those off, get it clean, and let you move on and make more money. So for instance, maybe you work at Enterprise and you don't necessarily need a CDL, but because you're a covered driver on your employer's insurance, when they pull up your name, it skyrockets their insurance and then they let you go. Wiping these tickets off before you start applying for jobs will help you in your job hunt. So number one is you've got to have all your fines and court costs paid. What I would tell you to do is call the clerk in the county or the city where you've got the traffic ticket and get a certified copy of your balance to give to the court once you file the expungement petition, so that you can show that there is now a zero balance and all of that has been paid. Next, 3 years must have passed. It's got to be 3 years from the date of the conviction, not the date that the ticket occurred. So if you drug that thing out and it was a year or 2 years before you actually went to court and you were ultimately convicted, it's 3 years from that date, not the date that you picked up the traffic ticket. Now it's next 3. At the time of offense, you did not have a CDL. You can have a CDL now, but at the time of the offense, you could not have had a CDL. Even if you're driving in your own personal vehicle instead of a company car or a commercial vehicle, if at the time you had a CDL, we can't expunge it. Okay. And then 4, the conviction cannot be a serious traffic offense. What are serious traffic offenses? Reckless driving, DUI, a boating under influence, or attempting to elude are 4 common ones. Things that are allowed: speeding, running a stop sign, failure to yield, failure to signal, seatbelt violation, right-of-way violation, following an emergency vehicle, driving on sidewalk, opening and closing vehicle doors, moving over or reducing speed when approaching law enforcement, proceeding where traffic obstructed, obstructing the driver's view. So we can get those done if you follow, if you've got all those 4 other requirements or 3 other requirements done. Again, make more money, get you a better job. Let's get this done before you start your job hunt.